What's up guys, welcome back to another video. You already know what we're doing in this one by the title, I'm sure. If you saw part one of this series, we did a $100 account challenge. Today's video is gonna be a lot of fun.
F is for friends who do stuff together.
A lot of fear. And we're gonna give our best try to trade $100 in the market the exact way you should never trade $100 in the market. And we did it the wrong way on purpose to try and hopefully show some of the common mistakes that new traders make in terms of position sizing, risk management, and we decided to make it fun by making it an experiment where we gambled basically a $100 account with huge lot sizes, and this is part two, and this one is a really good one. So stay tuned until the end. Again, please don't take this seriously. We are not trading like this, and I've got tons of videos on my channel that are actually about trading small account sizes and trying to build them over time, slow and steady, not doing anything that we're doing in this video because this one's a wild one. Stay tuned, buckle up, and make sure to hit that like button if you want to see a part three. Hint, hint, it should be an interesting one this time, and part three I'm sure will be really fun as well. So stay tuned, don't take it too seriously, and let's go.
Whose idea was this?
We're about to find out. All right, guys, what's going on? Welcome back. So we are back in our stupid funded account. Again, as I mentioned in the first part, this is not serious trading. We are trading for fun here. We are doing some stupid things on purpose to show what you should not do as a new trader, especially if you have a smaller account. I'm joined here with Will next to me. Will, show him your shirt, man. I think that's like the most important thing you have to bring to the table right now.
What's going on? Lucky Trading shirt. I got it on today just for this occasion.
Yeah.
I forgot that we were doing this today, and I was like, you know what? I'm feeling good today. I'm feeling like we can flip in $100. Okay, maybe.
Oh, this is gonna be a rough one. So again, our goal here is to actually take trading setups that may actually have potential, but to trade them with stupid lot sizes, so it kind of defeats the purpose. Because when we're actually trading with a trading plan, right, we don't want to be trading massive position sizes. Right. Typically, when we're actually approaching a setup, I like to risk anywhere from 0.5% to maybe 3% on a particular position with my stop in place.
3% max.
3% like max, right? So if you're trading something like US 30, the gold market, whatever, right? Those sort of things can cause a ginormous swing on your account and way more than 3% risk very, very easily. So with that said, let's go take a position here that would kind of count as a bad position size. We're currently looking at the S&P 500. Things look like they're going up today. Did you know if there's anything in the news, Will? Did you see anything?
I think there's just talks of another stimulus still. So
yeah.
That might be, I don't know, just like that speculation may be just boosting the market as if it is like coming.
Yeah, and I think, so I am actually interested in getting long here. So if we actually look at the daily chart, you can see we've been in that downtrend concept overall, but then we've broken through that level. So maybe it's worth getting long here, but truthfully, like if I was actually to take this trade very seriously, I wouldn't want to be chasing this trade right now. So maybe that's not the best one to jump into.
Maybe at that trend line.
Yeah, if it were to break like on the fresh break there, I might be interested, but maybe not for now. So GBP USD. Okay, here's one. This one I actually think has some potential. So, you know, we could be very wrong about that. And by placing a ginormous position size, it doesn't take, you know, it only takes a couple wrong trades to really mess you up. So let's do that. So let's take a buy position here. So if we were to actually risk 1% of a $100 account, that's risking $1, right? So if we were to do this in a stupid way, we would take 0.10 and we would buy this market because we took a too big of a position size. All right, so in this case, right, so now this is what a lot of times new traders get themselves caught up doing. They take that trade and they're like, okay, a reasonable stop loss here would be right there. So like everything looks good about this trade except for the lot size in my view. So I like the idea of buying this market, right? I think we're coming into a level of structure. I actually took this trade on one of my real accounts with a proper size. This account with only $100 in it with 0.10 should probably never be the case. So
how much could we lose here?
So we're risking, Will, here, we're risking $28 on a $100 account.
So we'll see if this one plays out. But the point here is like, you see what I mean though? Like if you take one wrong trade.
Yeah, it's over with.
Yeah, because we're at what? What does that put us at? So we lose.
We had like 72.
Yeah, we're at like $70. So that's like, that doesn't give us much to recover from. So, we'll see how this one goes. Maybe we'll pause the video, come back, and see if we're in some profit or if we are just going to blow this little account.
The world may never know. The NASDAQ.
Oh, we're trading the NASDAQ. Oh. Okay, so I just told Will that I'm trading the NASDAQ, and his reaction was great. I just put on my smart glasses because I think they guarantee I do better. But
100% profit guarantee.
So we're taking a look here at NAS 100, which this thing, $100 account should not even like. You should be like going like this whenever time. You should never look at this thing because it's too big for your account size. Same with US 30, same with SPX 500. Honestly, those ones are just, in my opinion, too big for. What do you think? Do you agree or disagree with that?
I agree.
Like all three of them, even SPX.
Yeah, all three of them, honestly. But I don't even want to say this, but if you're tempted to trade one, do SPY, and that's it, honestly.
I would tend to agree personally. So it's like, it's the least volatile of the three. I think NAS is the second most volatile. So I like this trade. We're going to trade this one with 0.02. Never should do this.
What happened?
Not enough money. I don't even know if we're going to be able to take 0.01. Let's try this.
0.01 gang.
I like this trade. Oh, we got in. All right. Okay, so let's talk about this idea here. So since the open of this market move here today, the market has been bullish. We've seen this gap opened up. We got the gap pretty much mostly filled here, right? So we gapped up, filled the gap, and have been running up since. Now we pulled back here to, what is this, the 20 period moving average here on the 30-minute chart. Just a quick pullback here. I liked the fact that we did get some bounce pretty quickly when we came down to this zone last time, and I'm hoping to see if that continues. We'll see though. Again, let's go. The problem here is if I put a stop on this, look at that, Will. Even the smallest moves here. Oh, we're about to blow this account, aren't we?
32 down. So if we lose that one trade that we're on GU, that's 28. And if we lose that, then we lose 32, right? So that's a grand total of about $60-ish.
Yep. So if we actually pull, right, exactly. So we're running on empty here because if we actually, let me pull up this profit and loss here. So we're currently down $7 overall, which doesn't sound like a lot until you realize that that's 9% of the entire account, and we just got in. It hasn't even moved yet. So that's
we just got in.
So we've got. Let me close some of these charts. So we've got 2 trades open. We've got our GU trade that you were mentioning, which up $5 right now, so that's good. But really now, because here's another mistake a lot of people make. I feel like that GU trade could go really well.
Yeah.
But the account is really going to be dictated by NAS because it's so much more high volatility.
Yeah.
So
don't know if you ever want your account swinging in the balance of NAS.
You probably, and look at that, we're already close to our stop, which if that stop hits,
that's no problem.
That's only 30% of our account gone. So $32 if we lose on this one. GU is at a $28 loss, as Will mentioned. So it's one of those things that's like when you're trading with these big lots on a small account, you have to be right all the time or you're going to blow the account. And I've been doing this for years and I mess up all the time. So to expect a brand new trader to come into this and get like a perfect record going where they're just, growing their account and they're, the NASDAQ god or whatever. You see all those people out there, they're like, you get the people who make that beginner mistake of thinking they're hot on the market or something, and the market doesn't care about us. So
no matter how long you've been trading, it does not care.
It's ruthless. So, you're seeing me here. I've been doing this for years and years and years. I could easily blow this account because I'm paying no attention to risk management.
Exactly.
So Let's come back and see what's left of the account soon.
About
Wait,
to-
Will, what did you just say?
Literally, we're the mouse right now, and the market is the snake. Like literally, we're just in the middle right now, just eating some cheese.
We're just waiting for the market to say like, all right, because we did part 1 of this, and we got away with it. Like we didn't blow the account,
No, we
doing
didn't.
stupid things. And what did we do? We came right back and put on 2 heavily margined positions on 2 crazy markets. And as Will said, we're the mouse, the market's the snake. Hey, look at that, Will. We're up $2.50.
Wow, great trade, Nick. I couldn't even get it out all the way. I couldn't even get it out.
Most likely, statistically, we should probably just close out right now.
And what are we gonna do?
If we close it out right now, we are probably at the highest probability of walking away with a profit than if we keep doing this video. Because we're trading like dummies. So, we'll see.
What would a new trader do right now, though? Like if they saw that immediate profit and they have no guidance whatsoever, because that's what happens a lot of times.
Yeah, that's a good question actually, because like a new trader might just be like trying to take profits, and this is a dangerous thing. Sometimes, and I'm not calling anybody out because I definitely have done this in the past, they will take profits every time it goes positive by any amount whatsoever. And they'll say like, oh yeah, you just got to scalp. You just got to... I can't look at Will, guys. It makes me laugh if I do it. So every time the market will go slightly positive, they'll take whatever profits on the table and just like put it in their pocket, you know? And then all of a sudden, you find yourself with a giant loss because it never went into profit.
Exactly.
Because I don't know if you've ever had this, but I definitely have trades where I take a position and it's like immediately goes against me.
Yeah.
And it's like, okay, well, that's a losing trade. So for new traders who are just like sitting there and they're like, okay, well, the trade never went into profit.
Right.
And they're just stuck holding this giant loss. There's just no, I feel like there's just no strategy there.
Yeah,
like, there's no recovery that makes sense. So
yeah.
That's not what we're going to do here. We have not placed a target on this, though, to be fair. So I guess I plan, I mean, honestly, I would take this trade and just try and see what the market wants to give us. I like, this area, but that's, not a really great risk reward. So if price were to run up here on NASDAQ, that's like back to the high of the day kind of thing. That would be a nice profit on that. Actually, a ginormous profit. And then on GU, I'd probably just see if we can get the continuation back to the highs here, which, high of the day would be a nice profit there too. So we could actually place a stop. That's a $60 profit. And I guess to go off what you were saying, like a new trader, when the trade runs in their favor, like if they actually did everything else right except for the risk management, they might be like, well, dang, I almost doubled my account in one day taking profit on this thing.
Yeah.
But then the trouble comes when people take like 4 or 5 losses in a row and they're like, well, my whole account. Did you see that thing turn red?
What happened?
This bar just turned red. Can we get a replay on that?
And they're like, well, my whole account. Did you see that thing turn red?
This whole bar just turned red. Oh!
Oh.
Will, that's not good, man. Let's go back to Naz. Oh, no. Yeah. All right, so that can't go any lower. Otherwise, we're going to have troubles here. Don't do it. Don't do it. All right, so we're floating a $20 loss here on NASDAQ 100.
Okay.
It's actually only moved. Oh, no. It hasn't moved far at all. That's the worst thing. Yeah, so again, just to reiterate, this is why stay away from these highly leveraged places like this. Because it looks like this is going to get stopped out for $30 on the account. This challenge might be over pretty soon.
I wore my lucky trading shirt for no reason.
I think you washed it. That's why. It says do not wash it on it.
That's
right?
what happened.
Yeah,
That's what
see?
happened. Dang it.
It washed away the luck, maybe. At least pound dollar's up 40 cents.
Okay, that should balance out the.
Oh, it went negative. That should balance out.
This one's gonna be rough.
Yeah, this is looking like a rough challenge. So we're starting out this time. Maybe that's a good thing. Maybe it's a good thing.
Yeah.
Because I said in the first video, like, the goal is to blow an account. I mean, not the goal, but like, the goal is to show the realistic side, and a blown account is the realistic side if you're trading with crazy positions. So
Exactly. Yeah.
it's a win-win. Not for me, but hopefully for you guys.
And for me.
And for Will. And there it goes. It's looking like it's going to get stopped out here.
Dang.
Come
Maybe
on,
we
baby.
should just go to what your.
Oh, well,
We should go to the pair that you've done phenomenal in over time. Dare I say it, you're a god.
what pair is that?
Gold.
That's the solution. We just need to go trade some gold and put on some giant positions. Look at that. NASDAQ is so violent, though. Like, it.
What the heck?
You see how fast?
Literally, that little wick right there, the red one, tagged the stop or barely missed it.
I mean, if we got a microscope out here, we can.
Oh, Nick.
Guys, if this thing turns around,
Dude.
I'm donating this to someone in the comments.
No way.
If this account, I'm saying it now, if this account goes to, if we double this account,
Okay.
maybe we should just give it away.
Okay.
Maybe we'll actually give it away.
I like that idea.
If we double this account, we'll give it away. That way, if I blow the account, you guys have to feel the pain too.
Exactly.
Because then nobody's getting a free account, and I'm losing an account.
I like that.
All right, so actually, wait. That basically just guarantees I'm losing an account. Because
Basically.
I'm giving it away or I'm losing it. I'd rather give it away, though. So
Exactly. That would be sweet.
yeah, that would be cool. All right, well, we'll check back in when this thing blows up. We're hanging on by a thread here, guys. Will and I are just watching this thing move on the 1 minute chart. This thing looks like it wants to come down and tag us. It just wants to give it a love tap and then turn back the other way.
Exactly. Then.
Can anybody else relate to that? That's one of the things that's annoying about trading is it happens no matter like how long you've been doing this.
Yeah.
Occasionally that happens where you like get into a trade, it comes down to your stop loss, tags it, and just turns right back around. So.
Exactly.
So that's about what's going to happen pretty soon. And we're hanging up.
Oh, it's over with. It's over with. I'm sorry.
I can't look. I can't look. I can't.
Don't open your eyes. I'll let you know when it's over.
Oh my! It touched it.
What?
Well, if it bounces,
What is going on?
don't you do it. Don't. Oh, it's gonna do it. Woo. All right, so now we got $68 in the account. Wait, pound dollar up 90 cents. All right.
Okay.
I think we need to do some revenge trading to get this account back.
Oh, yeah, there you go. That's something.
What you should never do, but we're going to do it for this video as an example of
Never do that.
new trading examples.
I did that so much when I was first starting out. I was like, I'm going to get my money back. And,
Famous last words right there.
The market got some more of its money back. That's pretty much what happened.
The market said, "Oh, really?" All right, let's find another trade and then we'll be back. All right, guys, we're back. It was like 5 seconds later. All I did was I went over to the terminal here and I opened up gold. So now we're gonna take a long position here.
You said long.
And I think it has some potential here
Okay.
if things were to break. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually just going to buy this preemptively because I think it's got potential here. The US dollar is looking weak today, so let's see if 0.02 even works. Okay, we got 0.02 on the account.
This is on gold, right?
Yep, on gold. So let's put the stop right around there, risking $25, which let's do a quick calculation here. We'll pull this up, bring this over here. $70 in the account. If we were to lose, $25 out of $70, we're just risking 36% of the account. That's it.
Okay.
So this one is still live, and the pound dollar is live as well. So hopefully we get one of these to do its thing. All right, Will and I just pulled up Tesla, which we can actually trade with this broker, which is interesting.
Like Elon Musk, Tesla?
Elon Musk, Tesla, the stock. Oh, this is the stock split. Ignore that.
Yeah, that was the stock
I was about to say, what just happened? Okay. Okay, so we're looking at Tesla, TSLA. This is a company that I've actually owned for some time, and very happy I have, because this thing has been on a rocket ship. It doesn't look like that in this broker because, again, there's a stock split. So the price actually ran up all the way to like $2,200. It's now been split. So the price, if you don't know what a stock split is, you can check that out online. But it's split, and now the price is $419. The value didn't go necessarily down. It just split. So they made more shares available. So this one is just an experiment purely because, let's face it, we're doing dumb stuff on this account anyways. I just want to try this. Okay, so I can actually buy this. Oh, and this is actually reasonable. So I can buy Tesla. So we gapped up today. Saw some movement. Oh, this is kind of cool actually.
It actually.
I like this. So
Because it gapped up, and then
gapped up, tried to fill, failed. We'll see. This is not really a super serious trade either. But if it starts to actually start heading back down and break through that, I'd probably just get out of this, but we'll see how this one wants to play out. So let's go back to our gold trade, because this is really what's going to dictate the account right now.
I thought you were going to say demolish us.
We might. We both paused. Well, so we're currently sitting at $61 in equity. We're down $7 on our existing trades. So let's let these 3 trades, which is probably too many trades, actually definitely too many trades for this size of account. Let's let these run for a few minutes, and we'll come back and see how things are burning up. All right, guys, so I'm taking a look here at gold. You can see, strangely enough, things actually worked out really well. But look at that balance up top, $40 on the account. We went all the way up to $115 from these gold trades that we took. And here it is just a little bit later. Taking a look here, it looks like I'm going to close out this. So I'm going to close out this trade here. And then also going to be closing out the other gold trade. And then I believe I tried to close Tesla here, but I was not able to because the market's not open, the stock market. I should have known better than that. But I will be closing that shortly. Overall here,